Where is the surprise?
Oh my god!
You see how happy I was when you give it to me?
I'm so happy for you! That is daddy!
I've upgraded.
You upgraded! That is daddy! Come and see! Oh my god! Sarah! See!
She has wanted this phone for a very long time now.
I'm so happy for you!
Look at what I do for you. Only you every time. New phone, new updates, new everything.
This calls for celebration.
Yes. Yes, I know what we need for this one. Let's just calm down. Yeah. So many gist. Oh my god. So many.
Let me hear them, please.
Do you know that this guy? Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let me show you the dresses that we're going to party with.
I'm coming. Okay. I'm waiting. You coming? Okay.
Hey! Yeah! 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 God have mercy upon us. Ah! Obìnrin! Obìnrin!
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Thank you, babe. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm not drinking much.
I'm not drinking much. Okay. So let's go. Let's test the real life.
Yeah, cheers.
More iPhone.
I want
more
more
money.
Problem, you know the feeling.
More good news. More everything.
Yeah. Why are you not drinking it?
Nah, I'm good. I'm full.
You're good.
Yes, too much sugar. Okay, so man.
Why are you not drinking it?
I'm okay.
Yeah, okay, I know what you did.
Chill now. She said she doesn't want to.
I have evidence that this drink is poisoned.
Okay, chill.
Let me show it to you.
What are you talking about?
Look at it.
And so, but you always be the one to have the congratulations. Must you? Every time you're always the one with the highest credit alert. Everybody is just focused on you. Just you. Like, give us a break. And you're always coming to rub it on our face. Like, excuse me.
Rub it on whose face?
On my face. You poisoned.
You're such an evil friend. For you to even have poison in this house. Who knows how long you've been harboring this hatred in your heart? So you are trying to kill her. Ella, know this. Not everybody is happy for your success. Not everybody that wants to see you grow or prosper. Some people are very, very hateful. They don't even want you to grow. They want to kill you. They want to kill you before you shine, before you blossom. They want to cut everything short. Be careful of what you eat around friends. Don't even say one person is my friend and because of that you trust them to the extent of taking stuff from them.